Hey guys, so today is November 17th, and as you can tell, I'm in the new place. Yay! So, yeah, you guys are actually sitting on my shelf right now because that's the only place I have right now. And as you can tell, you're on a web camera. Why, you say? Camera. I dropped it in coffee, guys, and I'll show you. Put it in, turn it on. Yeah, she's dead. So, I'm using you guys more. So, it is really snowy outside. Snowing. It's -8 but -21 with wind chill. Yeah, so I'm wearing my toque, and I don't know, should I go for this scarf or this one? This one's a lot thicker, so I think I might wear this one. Just go with it. Alright, but yeah. You walked in on the wrong time.
Oh.
I'm
What?
recording.
Oh, are you? Sorry.
That's okay, it's just YouTube.
Oh, are you gonna expose me to YouTube now?
Well, if you want. Okay, that was the telescope. Hooking up the TV and internet. So I thank him very much because I got internet now. Okay, I don't know which over this. I don't know. Alright, so it's short, I'm sorry. I'm just packing over at the other place today. And yeah. Alright, so I will see you guys tomorrow. And try and stay warm if you're in Edmonton. Like, bundle up, don't go outside. It's a very hot chocolate day. Yeah. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow. Bye.